Hello and welcome to another film from the 3E Center. This is a wonderful day in July. It is warm and sunny and we're on the outside of our seminar center. We have altogether 4 buildings. One building is just for the food, one for basic food and eating. One building is about administration and therapies. One whole building is for sleeping, where people sleep, and one building for meditation and seminars. So I hope you will come by one day and see it for yourself. And in the meantime, all the best from us in the 3E Center.